Hello students, in present video I am going to explain about 15th problem from final accounts topic. I am taking this question from Inter first year Telangana State Telugu Academy Accountancy textbook. In present video I am going to explain a new point, that is stock destroyed by fire accident. First let us see the question. Heading Trading account, profit and loss account of Sudhir Traders for the year ended 31st March 2018. Debit side, credit side. First trading account. With opening stock we should start now. Trial balance, debit side, opening stock is given 8,400 to opening stock. Again from starting, cash purchases. Purchase. We buy raw material, we bring that to our godown, factory, then we start manufacturing. Means direct expenditure, manufacture related expenditure. Direct expenditure, trading account debit side we should show now. To purchases. Returns are given, therefore purchases amount in inner column, 42,000 rupees. And credit side, returns are given 600, we have to subtract that, minus returns. Net amount in outer column. Next, wages. So wages we pay to workers. They work in factory. They manufacture goods. This is manufacture related expenditure. Direct expenditure, debit side. To wages. Adjustment is given. Therefore amount in inner column 6,500. Adjustment number 3. Outstanding wages 500. Outstanding means we have to pay. Therefore we should add plus outstanding 500. Total in outer column 7,000 rupees. Power and fuel. In manufacturing process we use this, means direct expenditure, because manufacture related expenditure. To power and fuel amount 3,500 rupees. Salaries, clearing charges. While importing the goods to custom officers, we have to pay some taxes, some charges known as clearing charges. After paying these charges, we bring that material and we start manufacturing. So up to manufacturing expenditure, this is direct expenditure, trading account debit side. To clearing charges, 800 rupees. Carriage on purchases. So carriage on purchase, carriage inward, all are same. From supplier's place to our godown, we are bringing the goods and we spend transportation charges. After bringing the goods to our godown, we start manufacturing. This is manufacture related expenditure, direct expenditure. So trading account debit side. To carriage on purchases, amount 1,800 rupees. Opening stock, machinery, building, furniture, debtor, general expenses, rent, rate, taxes, drawings, all are completed. Come to credit. Trial balance, credit side. Sales are given now, credit side. Direct income, therefore credit side. Direct income means main income. Debit side, returns are given, sales returns. Therefore sales amount in inner column. Sales returns we have to subtract, minus returns. Trial balance debit side, 500 rupees given, that amount. Remaining amount in outer column. Now come to adjustments. Trial balance amounts completed. In adjustments related to trading account, 2 points are there. First one, closing stock value. So closing stock as usual, credit side we will show. Another one is 6th point. Stock worth of 12,000 destroyed by fire, and insurance company admitted a claim of 8,500 rupees. This is new point now. First time in 15th problem he is giving this point. Stock destroyed by fire. Stock value 12,000 rupees. And firm insured this stock against fire accident. Insurance company admitted to pay a claim of 8,500 rupees. So this point he gives in different ways. So in 3 ways he may give this point. All these models I will explain now. Here 12,000 worth of stock is destroyed by fire accident. Therefore 12,000 worth of stock is going from the firm. See, in trading account, when stock is coming into the firm, debit side we are showing. When stock is going from the firm, credit side we are showing. Observe, purchases, stock is coming into the firm, debit side we are writing. Sales, stock is going from the firm, credit side we are writing. When stock is damaged in fire accident, then also stock is going from the firm. It gives that meaning only. Therefore, stock destroyed by fire accident, trading account, credit side first time we should show. And in present problem, insurance company accepted to pay 8,500 rupees. Then how much money is not going to come? 12,000 minus 8,500 rupees. 3,500 is not going to come. This is loss. This loss in profit and loss account we have to show. Debit side. And insurance company not paid this money. They have accepted to pay. It will come from them. So to us, this is an asset because money is going to come. In balance sheet asset side, 8,500 we have to show. So 3 times it will come. In trading account credit side 12,000 rupees. In profit and loss account debit side 3,500 rupees. In balance sheet asset side 8,500 rupees. Sometimes how he gives this adjustment, 12,000 worth goods are damaged. Insurance company accepted to pay full amount. In that case, there is no loss because how much we lost in fire accident, total money is going to come from insurance company. So there is no loss now. In that case, in profit and loss account, we need not to show anything. 12,000 trading account credit side we should show, and in balance sheet asset side from insurance company 12,000 should come now. Therefore, 12,000 we should show. Only 2 times we should show this amount. Sometimes how he gives this goods damaged in fire accident 12,000 and these goods are not insured, means from insurance company nothing is going to come because we have not taken any insurance policy against this. Then how much is the loss? Total 12,000 is a loss. In that case, trading account credit side 12,000 we should show. In profit and loss account debit side 12,000 we should show because total amount is lost to us. And in balance sheet we need not to show anything because no amount is going to come from insurance company. So here in this adjustment 3 times we have to show this amount. First, trading account credit side by stock lost in fire accident. Total loss amount 12,000 rupees we should show here. Then finally closing stock credit side by closing stock amount 16,400. Everything is completed. Finally 2 set totals. Credit total is more than debit total. Therefore profit came because credit side we wrote incomes, debit side expenditure. Now income is more than expenditure. This profit, debit side total is less. Therefore debit side we have to show 57,000 rupees. For this answer we have to write 2 gross profit. 2 sides, highest total, credit total 1,19,900. This is trading account. Continuation is profit and loss account. First take a screenshot of trading account. Now continuation, profit and loss account. Credit side, gross profit 57,000. Debit side, indirect expenses, indirect losses we should show. Means they are not related with the manufacturing work. Credit side, indirect incomes. So other than sales. See, trial balance debit side. Cash, purchases, returns, wages, power and fuel, salaries. We pay salaries to employees. They work in office. Means office related expenditure. Administrative expenditure. So indirect expenditure, debit side. No adjustment. To salaries, 6,500. Clearing charges, carriage on purchases, opening stock, machinery, building, furniture, debtors, general expenses, indirect expenditure. Here, amount 2,600. Rent rates and taxes. The indirect expenditure to rent rates and taxes. 3,200. Drawings. Trial balance credit side. Capital, sales, returns, discount. Credit side discount means discount received, profit. Here only. By discount. 800 rupees. Creditors bank overdraft. Trial balance amounts completed. Come to adjustments. Closing stock value, not here. Depreciation on furniture 5%, machinery 10%. So depreciation means when we use fixed assets continuously, its value decreases. That expenditure is called depreciation. Debit side, because expenditure to depreciation on two assets are there, no? One by one we will calculate. First asset, furniture. On furniture, 5% we should calculate. Furniture value in trial balance 6,000. On this 6,000, 5%. 300 rupees. Again, you need not to write to depreciation on machinery. Already we wrote no depreciation on. So directly machinery word we will write. Machinery value in trial balance 25,000. On machinery 10% we should provide. 2,500 in outer column. Next, adjustment number 3. Outstanding wages completed. 4. Write off 600 as bad debt and create provision for bad debt, bad and doubtful debt 6%. In trial balance debit side, bad debts are not given. Credit side, provision for bad debt is not given. But in adjustment, bad debt is given, provision for bad debt is given. Debtors, from them money should come. Bad debt means what? Money will not come. Provision for bad debt means what? Money may come, may not come. Doubt. So bad debt is loss. Provision for bad debt is expected loss. These two are losses, no? Losses in profit and loss account debit side we should show. So debit side. First bad debts. 2 bad debts. Bad debt amount is directly given 600 rupees. Next 2. Provision for bad and doubtful debt. On debtors you have to calculate. In trial balance debit side, debtor value is given as 12,600 rupees. But on 12,600 we should not calculate directly because bad debt is given in the adjustment, no? Means this bad debt amount 600 not yet deducted from debtors. If bad debt amount 600 is given in the trial balance, then the meaning is already bad debt is deducted from debtors. In that case, on 12,600 directly we can calculate provision for bad debt. But bad debt is given in the adjustment now. So first that bad debt we have to subtract from debtors. Then net debtor value is 12,000 rupees. On this 12,000 we should calculate provision for bad debt percentage. 6%, 6 by 100. 720 rupees in outer column. Fourth adjustment completed. Next, fifth adjustment. Interest on drawings. So interest on drawings means from the firm owner is taking money for personal use. As per business entity concept, owner is separate from firm now. Means we are giving loan to outsider. In that case, owner should pay interest to us. So in firm's books we are preparing accounts. To the firm, this interest is income because from owner it is coming. Income, credit side we should write by interest on drawings. On drawings amount we have to calculate. Drawings amount 5,000 rupees. On that 5%. 250 rupees in outer column. Next, sixth point. Stock worth 12,000 destroyed by 5 and insurance company admitted a claim of 8,500. So the difference amount is not going to come. So as I said earlier, in profit and loss account debit side, that amount the amount which is not going to from insurance company, that loss amount we should show. 2. Loss in fire accident. How much? 12,000 worth of goods are damaged, but insurance company is going to pay only 8,500. So the remaining amount 3,500 is loss. So everything is completed. Finally, find out the totals of two sides. Credit total is more than debit total. Therefore, difference is profit. Because credit side income we wrote, debit side expenditure. Income is more than expenditure. This profit, debit side total is less, no? So debit side we have to show. For this we have to write 2 net profit. Two sides, highest total. Credit total 58,050 rupees. Credit side also same. With this, profit and loss account is completed. Take a screenshot of this. Next we have to prepare balance sheet. This is balance sheet. Balance sheet of Sudhi Traders as on 31st March 2018. Liabilities amount, assets amount. First trial balance debit side we will see. Here asset side. Cash. Cash is an asset. 4,000 rupees. Purchases, returns, wages, power and fuel, salaries, clearing charges, carriage on purchases, opening stock, machinery. Machinery is an asset. Depreciation is given, therefore in inner column 25,000 rupees minus depreciation. In profit and loss account we have calculated now. Depreciation on machinery 2,500 came. Remaining amount in outer column 22,500. Next, buildings asset 15,000. Furniture asset 6,000. Depreciation is there minus depreciation 5%. 300 came in P&L account, that amount here. Remaining amount in outer column. Debtors asset in inner column 12,600. Related to debtors, in adjustments 2 points are given. Bad debts, bad debt reserve. Both we have to subtract now. First bad debts minus bad debts. 600 rupees, 12,000. Next minus provision for bad and doubtful debts. In P&L account we have calculated 720 rupees came now. Remaining amount in outer column. Next, general expenses, rent, rates, taxes, drawings. Debit side completed, asset side completed. Come to credit side of trial balance. Means here liability side. Capital at the end will show sales, returns, discount, creditors, liability 9,000 rupees. Bank overdraft, liability. From bank we have taken loan 3,000 rupees. Trial balance amounts completed. Come to adjustments. Closing stock at the end will show on asset side. Depreciation on furniture machinery completed. Outstanding wages we have to pay. Adjustment amounts 2 times we should write now. One time in trading account to wages we have added this. Second time in balance sheet liability side because we have to pay. Outstanding wages 500 rupees. Fourth adjustment, write off 600 as bad debt and create provision for bad and doubtful debt 6%. Completed. Interest on drawings we'll see afterwards. Stock worth 12,000 destroyed by fire and the insurance company admitted a claim of 8,500. So from insurance company money should come. It is an asset. So asset side. What to write? Insurance claim. 8,500 should come now. Write down that. Then finally asset side closing stock is left. Write down that. Closing stock amount 16,400. Liability side capital adjustment is there now. Capital in inner column 38,000 rupees. Related to capital there are 3 amounts. Net profit, drawings, interest on drawings. Net profit we have to add. These two, drawings and interest on drawings, we have to subtract. First, net profit we will add. In profit and loss account our answer 38,130 came now. That amount. Total 76,130. From this, first drawings we have to subtract. Minus drawings. In trial balance, debit side he has given drawings amount 5,000 rupees, subtract that amount here, remaining amount. Then interest on drawings we have to subtract, minus interest on drawings. In profit and loss account we have calculated 250 rupees came, that amount. Net amount in outer column 70,880. Everything is completed. Finally, two set totals 83,380 rupees came. Thus, two side total should be equal. Then only problem is correct. So this is all about 15th problem. Take a screenshot of balance sheet. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.